Hey tribe, how are you all doing today? I thought I would come on and shoot a video just showing you how I fill the On Guard soap. So this video is really relevant to those that BOGO'd last month in July 2018 because the BOGO was buy the On Guard oil and you got the hand soap, so the On Guard hand soap, and 2 pumps for free, which is so awesome. So this is actually how I encourage people to start using the On Guard soap because it's awesome when you can get the concentrate or the foaming hand wash, sorry, and you can get the 2 pumps. So, I mean, you can use whatever foaming pump bottles you want, but it's nice how you can get it as a set. And this was for free if you BOGO'd in the month of July. So I wanted to show you because I do get some questions on how I fill it. So it might seem straightforward, but there's little tricks that I do to make this bottle last longer. And what's great about this soap is, one, it includes the On Guard essential oil, which is the protective blend. So it has a beautiful blend of essential oils that, like the name implies, it's going to help you protect your body and your immune system. So it's good stuff that you want on your hands. It's not antibacterial. So when we wash our hands, we just need soap and water. It's just as effective as antibacterial products, and it's actually better for our bodies and our systems and just cleaner, right? So as we think about shifting to more natural, oh, my lighting changed, more natural ways to take care of our bodies, this is a great way to do that by subbing in a new hand soap, and doTERRA lets you do that with these amazing products that they sell on top of the oils. So I'm going to show you. So this bottle, it is 16 flow ounces. So this probably gets me at least 5 to 6 bottles of this full. Or I'd say maybe 4 to 6, depending on how full they are. So truth be told, I'm not filling them once they're empty. I have these on hand, and when they start getting low, that's when I'll go around and fill them all up, depending on what status they're at, if they're 3/4 full or, a quarter full. So what I like to do is to get my bottle. This is an older one, actually. I'm going to save the new ones for when I get back home. But I love these around the house. So I have one at the kitchen sink. I have one in all the bathrooms, any other area. You could even have one in your laundry room if you have a sink there. Just to have these as your soap, your main soap around the home. So what I like to do is, so you just kind of I'll poke in the top there, and then I will take the bottle and I will fill it about halfway only. So you could use the whole foaming hand soap to fill this bottle, but I find that if you dilute it down with a bit of water, so there you go, I have it, about halfway because it kind of veers up, right? So it's not as much volume up here. And I'll just top the rest with water, and it works just as effective, okay? So, and then you're preserving your bottle, so you're gonna get more uses out of it. So I know this video probably is so self-explanatory, or opening your soap and using it is so self-explanatory, but I do get those questions of, do you use the whole thing to fill up the container? And my answer is no, okay? So I did used to when I first got it, but honestly, it works just as well, and this way you're kind of, keeping this a little bit longer because you're diluting it down a bit, but again, still same effectiveness. And then I would just top with water, and I'll pop the cap on, and it will go into one of the bathrooms. So that is a quick and easy way to use this soap. If you have any more questions, let me know. Who is excited to get using this? I hope you guys all have your BOGO orders in by now if you did BOGO with this deal. And look forward to more videos like this. I'm going to start shooting some shorter ones on just little simple tips and tricks to use the oils and the oil products, because we know that doTERRA is far beyond the oils. They have so many beautiful oil products, and their top selling product is actually their supplements, which is still so crazy to me, but so awesome too. So hope you found this helpful, and have a great day, guys. Talk to you later.